Inherited a DPO file from a label or business card project and need to print it? This format comes from specialty paper layout software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open these DECAdry Express projects. Keep watching until the end. This solution is entirely reliant on one powerful DPO file inspection tool that you can use for hundreds of other file issues and formats. A .dpo file is a printed circuit board, PCB layout, created with DipTrace, an EDA CAD software suite for electronics engineers and hobbyists. Users encounter this file when designing, sharing, or sending electronic schematics for manufacturing. The primary user intent is to open the complete board layout for editing or fabrication. The .dpo format is a proprietary binary file designed for performance and precision in electronic design. It stores complex vector data for copper traces, component placements, drill holes, and multiple layers. This binary structure ensures all design elements are saved with high fidelity, preventing data loss common in text-based formats. We suggest testing the DPO file first with the utility DipTrace from Novarm Limited. To unlock the full potential of this format, a dedicated program is required for rendering. Windows doesn't support full 3D model fidelity, so you'll need specialized tools for complete access. Open the context menu by right-clicking the DPO file and selecting Open With. Start your test with DipTrace if it shows up. If not, don't hesitate to try several other programs on your list. If the DPO file won't budge, stay calm. Let's change direction. The failure confirms a hidden issue. Run through these 3 rapid diagnostic checks with me right now. First, opening with DECAdry Express. Install DECAdry Express or DECAdry software from the DECAdry website for Windows. Launch the application and open the DPO file using File then Open. The complete project loads with the correct paper template selected and all design elements positioned for printing. Next, updating design elements. Edit text graphics and images directly within DECAdry Express using the integrated tools. Replace stock images with custom photos. Adjust font selections or modify color schemes. Save changes back to DPO format or export to PDF for sharing layouts with collaborators. Finally, printing on specialty paper. Load matching DECAdry paper stock into your printer, following the part number indicated by the template. Use File then Print within DECAdry Express, which automatically calibrates output for precise alignment with pre-cut sections, delivering professional results without manual adjustment. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.